Everybody keeps telling you AI is coming for your job. I used to believe that too. I read a report saying AI could replace 300 million jobs worldwide, and it scared me. Then I stopped reading headlines and went and looked at the actual data myself. What I found flipped everything. By the end of this, I want to show you real numbers, real companies, and a real client of mine right here in Atlanta whose business grew because of AI, not in spite of it. Here's what AI actually is: it's not thinking, it's not reasoning, it's pattern matching and happening fast. It guesses the next word based on everything it's ever read. The same trick your phone does when it suggests way after you type I'm on mine. Even Sam Altman, the guy who built OpenAI, says these models are just really good next word predictors. No brain in there, just a fast guessing machine. So if the technology is this limited, why are companies laying off thousands and blaming AI? In 2025, Salesforce announced 4,000 layoffs and pointed at AI. What didn't make the headline? That same year, Salesforce brought in over 1,100 new jobs and added 3,683 workers on H-1B visas across 2023 through 2025. Almost the exact number of the layoffs. That's not AI replacing humans. That's humans replacing humans with a better headline attached. UPS announced 34,000 cuts blamed on the automation. What actually happened was UPS closing buildings. And here's the real engine driving all of it. Executive pay is tied to stock price. When Bumble cut 30% of its workforce, the stock jumped 25% that same day. Companies aren't telling you AI took the jobs because it's true. They're telling you because it makes them richer. Meanwhile, the jobs that are actually growing barely make the news. Healthcare is projected to grow 52% by 2033. Software development is still growing 18%, even with all the noise about AI writing code. Food service alone is adding 500,000 positions. Jobs aren't vanishing, they're multiplying. You just haven't seen the headline. Here's the part that matters most for small business owners like us: AI isn't hitting entry level jobs first, it's hitting the middle. People with 10, 15, 20 years of repeatable, documentable work. Because AI replaces tasks, not jobs. A job is dozens of tasks. AI eats the repetitive ones and leaves the human ones: the judgment calls, the relationships, the trust. I've watched this play out with my own clients. Hakim runs an HVAC company. AI was never going to crawl into an attic and fix a unit. What it did was take the missed calls, the slow follow ups, and the reviews nobody had time to chase off his plate. Same technicians, same trucks. Hakim's business went from about $18,000 a month to over $160,000 a month. The AI didn't replace his team, it freed them up to do the part only a human can do. This isn't the first time we've panicked about a machine taking our jobs. When ATMs came out, everyone said the bank teller was finished. Instead, ATMs made branches cheaper to run, so banks opened more branches, and the total number of teller jobs actually went up. The job didn't disappear, it changed. That's the pattern every single time: fear, disruption, a productivity boom, then a wave of brand new jobs nobody saw coming. 85% of the jobs that exist today did not exist in 1940. The machine doesn't erase work, it invents new kinds of it. It's happening again right now. Demand for AI skills is up 7 times in the last 2 years. The World Economic Forum surveyed 1,000 companies across 55 economies, representing over 14 million employees. They're finding by 2030, AI will displace 92 million jobs, but create 170 million new ones. That's a net gain of 78 million jobs. 4 out of 5 of the world's 582 million entrepreneurs are already using AI. That's the wave. And the only question is whether you're paddling into it or watching from the shore. The real danger was never that AI takes your job. The real danger is misunderstanding it and missing the biggest opportunity you'll ever get. Your value isn't the repeatable task, it's your judgment, your ability to build trust and decide what actually matters. That's what I teach small business owners how to build systems around inside reviewsmart.ai. And in my books, Don't Be Smart, Use AI in 7 Keys. Forget the headline built to scare you into clicking. You're not becoming obsolete. You're being handed the tools to build something bigger than you ever could. And before I let you go, here's something else most people don't realize. This video you're watching, I didn't record it. This is my AI avatar. While I'm meeting with clients, speaking at events, running my businesses, or spending time with my family, my AI avatar can still be teaching, educating, and sharing valuable content with people around the world. Like, that's not replacing me, that's multiplying me. Imagine what an AI avatar could do for your business. It can answer common questions, educate your customers, create consistent content, follow up with prospects, build trust, and keep your business visible even when you're busy serving your clients. If you want to learn how to build AI systems like this, create your own AI avatar, master prompting, and use AI to grow your business, come join us inside the AI room on School. That's where business owners, entrepreneurs, and creators are learning how to use AI in practical ways that actually generate leads, save time, and increase revenue. I'd love to have you there. Join the community, start learning, and let's build the future together. And if this changed how you see AI, hit subscribe, because in the next video, I'm breaking down exactly how my client, Hakim, grew his HVAC business from about $18,000 a month to over $160,000 a month using AI systems step by step.